हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड व्यूअर्स आज मु कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस क्लास रे कंप्यूटर पॉइंट्स गुडी को नहीं आछि तेणु फर्स्ट पॉइंट रे अछि ए ब्लिंकिंग सिंबल ऑन द स्क्रीन दैट शोज where the next character will appear is a cursor. Second point रे अछि highlights and deletes is used to remove a paragraph from a report you had written. Third point rachi data and time are available on the desktop at taskbar. Fourth point rachi a directory within a directory is called subdirectory. Point number 5 rachi testing is the process of finding errors in software code. Point number 6 in Excel charts are created using chat wizard option. Point number 7 rachi microcomputer hardware consists of three basic categories of physical equipment: system, unit, input, output, memory. 8 point rachi Windows is not a common feature of software application. 9 point rachi a tool contains button and menus that provide quick access to commonly used commands. 10 points rachi a programming language contains specific rules and words that express the logical steps of the algorithm. 11 points rachi one advantage of dial-up internet access is it utilizes existing telephone security. 12 point rachi protecting data by copying it from the original source is backup. 13 point rachi network components are connected to the same cable in the star topology. 14 point rachi a computer checks the database of username and password for a match before granting access. 15 point rachi computers that are portable and convenient for users who travel are known as laptops. 16 point rachi spam is a term for unsolicited email. 17 point rachi utility software type of program controls the various computer parts and allows the user to interact with the computer. 18 point rachi each cell in a Microsoft Excel document is referred to by its cell address, which is the cell's row and columns labels. 19 point rachi 8-digit binary numbers is called byte. 20 points rachi office LANs that are spread geographically apart on a large scale can be connected using a corporate WAN WAN माने होची World Area Network. 21 point rachi storage is the process of copying software programs from secondary storage media to the hard disks. Hard disk होची जोंटे हमर सब प्रोग्राम गुडी को सेव हेकी रुहे. 22 नंबर पॉइंट होची the code for a web page is written using hypertext markup language. 23 point small application programs that run on a web page and may ensure a form is completed properly or provide animation are known as flash. 24 point rachi in a relational database table is a data structure that organizes the information about a single topic into rows and columns. 25 point rachi the first computers were programmed using assembly language. 26 point ର ଅଛି when pointer is positioned on hyperlink it is shaped like a hand 27 point ର ଅଛି booting process checks to ensure the components of your computer are operating and connecting properly or connected properly 28 points ଅଛି by checking the existing files saved on the disk the user determines what programs are available on a computer 29 point ର ଅଛି special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation are called animation 30 point ର ଅଛି computers send and receive data and the form of digital signals 31 point ର ଅଛି most world wide web माने www pages contains html commands in the language तापर अछि 32 points रे अछि icons are graphically objects used to represent commonly used application 33 point ର अछि Unix is not owned and licensed by a company तापर जिबा 34 point ର अछि In any window the maximize buttons the minimize buttons and the close buttons appear on the title bar 35 point ର अछि Dial-up services is the slowest internet connection services 36 point ର ଅଛି Every component of your computer is either hardware or software 37 point ର ଅଛି Checking that a pin code number is valid before it is entered into the system is an example of data validation 38 point ର ଅଛି A compiler translates higher level programs into machine language program which is called object code 39 point ର ଅଛି A CD-RW disk can be erased and rewritten 40 number point ର ଅଛି Windows 95 Windows 98 and Windows NT are known as operating systems 41 point ର ଅଛି Information on a computer is stored as analog data 42 point ର ଅଛି A spreadsheet works like a calculator for keeping track of money and making budgets 43 point ର ଅଛି To take information from one source and bring it to your computer is referred to as a download 44 point ର ଅଛି Each box is a spreadsheet is called a cell 45 point ର ଅଛି Network components are connected to the same cable in the bus topology 46 point ର ଅଛି Two or more computers connected to each other for sharing information from a network 47 point ର ଅଛି Operating system controls the various computer parts and allows the user to interact with the computer 48 point ର ଅଛି Download is the process of copying software programs from secondary storage media to the hard disks 49 point ର ଅଛି The code for a web page is written using hypertext markup language 50 point ର ଅଛି For seeing the output we use monitor 51 point ର ଅଛି Control key is used in combination with another key to perform a specific task 52 point ର ଅଛି Scanner will translate images of text drawings and photos into digital form 53 point ର ଅଛି CPU is the brain of the computer 54 पॉइंट अच्छी समथिंग व्हिच हैज इजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल instructions is said to be user friendly. तापर अच्छी 55 points information on a computer is stored as digital data. 56 point अच्छी for creating a document you use new command at file menu. 57 point अच्छी control plus a command is used to select the whole document. 58 point अच्छी answer sheets in various examinations these days are checked by the using by optical mark reader जोटा OMR कुआ जाउछि. 59 point अच्छी electronic data exchange provides strategic and operational business opportunity. तबे व्यूअर्स माने और फ्रेंड्स माने ए जो वीडियो रे मु पॉइंट्स गुडी को देली से गुडा को पॉज करी कि आपण माने देखि पारबे. धन्यवाद.